Okay, so in this video we're still calculating wages. This is as complicated as wages is going to get for us. In this particular question we're going to look at a person's whole work week. He's going to get paid regular time, he's going to get paid time and a half, and he's also going to get paid double time as well. So let's take a look at the question and then start working through the maths of it. Alright, Fred works at Big W. He is paid $16 an hour for the first 38 hours in the week and time and a half for every hour over. How much is he paid for the following week's work? Okay, so this is pretty common if you're working in retail. If you work a certain amount of hours in a week, you'll get paid normal time, but if you go over that certain amount, you'll get paid time and a half. So he gets paid regular time for the first 38, and then he gets paid time and a half for everything after that. First job here is to work out how many total hours he works for the week. So total hours for the week is equal to 8 hours on the Monday, 9 hours on the Tuesday, 8 hours on the Wednesday, 10 hours on the Thursday, 8 hours on the Friday. Now you take your calculator, add all them up, 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8, and we get 43 hours worked. Now what that means for Fred is that he's going to get paid normal time for 38 hours and time and a half for 43 minus 38, which is 5 hours. Okay, so for 38 of his hours he's going to get paid normal time, for 5 hours he's going to get paid time and a half. After that we need to calculate how much he gets paid for normal time, how much he gets paid for time and a half. So his normal time pay is equal to the amount of hours he worked, 38 hours at normal time, and the amount of money they pay him for normal time, which is $16 an hour. So 38 times 16, so he gets paid $608 normal time. So that's an important piece of information there. We're not really finished yet though. We still need to take his time and a half into consideration. I'm just going to move over to this side of the board so we've got some more space. Now his time and a half pay is equal to the amount of hours he works at time and a half, which is 5, times his hourly rate, 16. It's time and a half, so we need to multiply it by 1.5. Take your calculator, 5 times 16 times 1.5. That's going to be equal to 120. So over the course of this week, he got paid $608 normal time, and he got paid $120 time and a half. Now I think if you can figure out what happens last, we need to figure out his total pay. Now his total pay is going to be equal to the amount of money he got paid for normal time, $608, plus the amount of money he got paid for time and a half, 120. That total is going to be $728. Okay, so he got paid $608 normal time, $120 time and a half pay. Altogether, his paycheck at the very end of the week is going to be $728. That's it for wages. That's calculating wages, regular wages, time and a half, double time, and then a combination of those.